But in my discussions, both here and in Baghdad, I sensed a genuine commitment to move forward, and I urge all to translate this commitment into reality. Ladies and gentlemen, good governance, respect for human rights and the freedom of expression, as well as inclusive political and electoral processes are bedrocks of stability and drivers of prosperity. I encourage all political actors across the Kurdistan region of Iraq to work together to ensure that delayed parliamentary elections take place this year. Diverse, even opposing viewpoints, as well as constructive criticism, are the lifeblood of any democracy. Despite spirited differences, I urge all to put the interests of the people in the Kurdistan region of Iraq first. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, full respect for the principles of sovereignty, territorial integrity, and good neighborliness is essential at all times. I urge all to pursue dialogue and diplomacy and exercise maximum restraint to prevent further instability and contain the risks of regional escalation. Finally, let me repeat what I said in Baghdad. My visit is one of solidarity and hope for the future. But achieving a better tomorrow requires action today. It demands determined diplomacy, constructive dialogue, and the courage to make the necessary compromises. After my meetings and discussions, I am convinced that important progress is now entirely possible. And the United Nations stands with the people of the Kurdistan region of Iraq to help build the better future that they deserve. Allow me a personal note. I came to this region many times in the past as High Commissioner for Refugees. And I came as Secretary General in a dramatic moment when the Daesh was close and when fighting was fierce. And I learned to have an enormous admiration for the generosity and solidarity of the Kurdish people.